The difficult name, yeah.
Hello, and here we are at the DMCP Training Day here in Austin, Texas. And I'd like to talk to Michelle and ask her, from a DM point of view, how's it been today?
It's been a really great day. The content has been, of course, fire, as Garrett says. And the people are just so engaged, and they're really excited. So I'd call it a win.
Excellent. I think you're absolutely right. It's been fabulous today, and I've already got some takeaways just from listening to people. You know, we learn something every day. Eloisa, how do you think?
Oh, I have loved the day, meeting everybody, but also I have written a lot of notes on hacks and ideas that I can implement tomorrow in my business. So I'm very happy to be here. It took a while to get here, but I'm here.
Eloisa's out here all the way from Mexico.
I know. What collection we are. We've got Mexico City, we've got Austin, we've got England. So, a real mix. But it just goes to show when great energy comes together, we come alive. The buzz in that room over lunch is just amazing. Yes. So, Michelle, what do we have in store this afternoon?
Okay, so we have Dennis Yu coming in talking about VAs and SOPs, which is really not something that you think about when you think of Dennis, because Blitz Metrics, and he's all about the video and the Facebook, but it's something that he's really fantastic at. Yeah. And then we have Alex Schlinsky coming in talking about sales. So it's the $1 million prospecting method, like one sale close. Y'all know what I'm saying. One call sales close. And so that one I'm really excited about because I don't think we have enough salesy type content inside of Partner Training Day. So I am super excited about those two.
And Eloisa, I know you had a long journey to get here, but has it been worth it? And you looking forward to this afternoon?
Yes, of course. And SOPs are vital for all of us. I think it came up in the morning. Everybody was discussing, we have all the shiny objects, the marketing, the sexy stuff, but we need to focus on the basic, and SOPs and VAs are part of what we truly need to scale our businesses. So I'm very excited about the afternoon. And one thing I wanted to mention, it has been amazing that people are so giving. Really advice, sharing contacts, let me introduce you to this person and all of that. It has been mind-blowing. So I'm very happy to be here.
That is the thing that's particularly special about Partner Training Day. Like the partner program itself is valuable. I'm not going to, toot our own horn. We know it's valuable. But the relationships and the connections that are made at the actual in-person events are so good, and they really lead to some amazing things for people.
Well, I've certainly enjoyed being at my very first DM training day, and perhaps Azem might just have to move over and let me do some more of these visits. We shall see.
I like it.
Beautiful Austin.
Yeah, in beautiful Austin. Thank you, ladies.
Thank you.